chapter 3, no?
Relative pronouns. Yeah. Yes, Anand.
Ma'am, I get a problem with that test. Ma'am, I have done. So when I reopened that, so the answers were gone.
Okay. So did you not attempt it again?
No, ma'am. I have tell my score, but once again I have go to my Chrome in Google
Got it.
assignment
Got it.
Google Chrome.
Mm-hmm.
So it is not showing my marks. Now it is showing blank.
Okay. You know your marks, no? Just type in the chat box, the comment box. Sorry. Okay.
I have typed same like Jahan.
Okay. No problem. Okay. Let's begin. It's already 45. Grammar book page numbers 18 and 19.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm gonna go to washroom.
And 19. Yes, Jahan. You may. Okay, we have to use relative pronouns here: who, which, whom, that we had done yesterday. Right? I hope you remember the rules for using those relative pronouns. Who, whom, and whose is used for people. That is also used for people, animal, and things. And which is also used for animals and things. You just need to keep these three rules in mind. If you want to refer to them, please go to page number 16, keep in mind section. Got
Ma'am,
it?
we have to write this.
No, don't have to write this. We are doing exercise number E. E for elephant. Page number
Ma'am,
18.
we have to write this, no?
Yeah. The vase is blue. It is from China. So which is the relative pronoun that we are going to use here? The vase, because it is a thing, right? It is a thing. So we will write which, or we can write that. The vase which is blue is from China. Yes, Anand, you have a question? While raising your hand.
One answer.
Okay, give me answer for 2. Answer for 2 number.
One second, ma'am.
Anand, sit down. Sit down first. Now say the answer. I saw a dog. It was rather ferocious.
That
I saw a dog. I saw a dog, which is a pronoun. Which is a pronoun that we use for animals.
Ma'am, what is ferocious?
which is that?
Ferocious means one who gets very angry, dangerous.
Which is
Ferocious.
that?
That, yeah, which and that.
That.
So we can write, I saw a dog which was rather ferocious. Number
Ma'am,
3,
what is the answer?
look at your screen.
Which?
My friend lives in Ludhiana. She swims very well. My friend, so we are using who for people, right? So my friend who lives in Ludhiana swims very well. This is the girl, you gave her a flower. This is the girl to whom you gave a flower. This is the man, his car broke down yesterday. So this is the man whose car broke down yesterday. Please fill in the blanks. Fill in the sentences quickly.
He was.
Vihan, why aren't you writing? Why are you staring at the screen? And not even staring, you're looking at something else. It was not the screen.
No, ma'am, it was the screen only.
Which is blue It's from China.
And children, all those children who did not come for the writing class tomorrow, sorry, yesterday, who did not come for the writing class yesterday, will be marked 0. It's good that you don't come. It's easy for me to mark you 0 than to grade you, right? Very bad. And group 2, please be in the class today. And I'll be posting the assignment in the classroom also. Please attempt it from there. In case you have any internet issues or any electricity issues, the assignment will be posted in the class. You have to attempt it and write your scores there in the comment section. Okay? Got it, all of you? Because it's raining very heavily, you might have internet or electricity issues. So please attempt the assignment and post it in the comment section. But if everything goes well, please join the class at 12:30. Yes, Prisha, what happened?
Ma'am, I was saying that did you get a mail?
Yeah, I got a mail, but you are in the class, so why should I send you recording?
No, ma'am, not of this week.
Then?
Last week.
No, I will not send. Why should I send? You were absent. You told me you had network issues. You didn't tell me that you were out. Yesterday I asked you. You intentionally did not attend the class. So your parents should know. That's why I sent a mail that you're not attending the classes. Demonstrative pronouns we had done yesterday. What are demonstrative pronouns? This and that. This is used for things which are near us, and that is used for things which we use to point, which we need to point. That is a boy. This is a boy. Okay?
Ma'am, but in grade 4 it is come to my. I was not in online class, so my teacher said that is also used for pointing far things.
That is used for pointing far things. That's what I'm saying. Pointing. That is a boy. Okay. It is for singular.
Not pointing.
This.
Not pointing.
Ma'am, I've written the exercise. What I have to do now?
Sit
Okay.
and listen. Okay. This is used for things which are near us. For example, this is a pen. I'm holding the pen. Okay? This is a pen. This is a bottle. But if the same pen is lying on my sofa, I will say that is a pen. That is a bottle. Okay. And for plurals, we will use these are pens. If I have many of them, so I will say these are pens. And if they are lying far from me, I will say those are pens. So you understood the difference between the two? This and that is used for this, and these is used for singular, and that and those is used for plural. Singular, plural. Got it? This, that for singular, these, those for plural. Okay. Number 1, dash is the room where we practice dance. These is the room or this is the room? Dhruv Patel, answer. Nobody else will answer. Dhruv Patel.
Yes. Ma'am, this.
This is the room where we practice dance. Number 2, whose shoes are dash? Panika. Whose shoes are dash? These or this?
These.
These. Why? Because they are two. We will always refer to shoes as a pair of shoes, right? Number 3, Prisha. Dash is the most expensive variety of tea available.
Ma'am, what is the first one?
Number 3, Prisha.
Yes, ma'am. Wait.
Wow, she's sitting without a book. Jahan Jariwala, please answer 3.
What is the first and second answer, please?
Yes.
I'm not showing Farzan. Please remove that headset from your ears because you aren't listening anyways. Remove them.
Do I
You're
tell?
just using your eyes.
Hello. Do I tell?
Jahan, number 3.
Yes. This is the most expensive variety of tea available.
Correct. This is the most expensive. Number 4. Dash are the kites I want to buy. Arav.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 4.
Yeah.
Riva, number 5.
Yes, are the things I want to buy. And those.
Those are the kites I want to buy. Number 5. Riva.
Yes. When Lina mother said these are your aunts from Guntur, they will.
Riva, I can't hear you, beta.
Uh, just a second. Now you can hear me.
Your volume is low. Check the volume of your system.
Now you can hear me.
Can I say?
Ma'am,
Yes, Riva.
yes. Tina mother said these are your aunts from Guntur. They will be with us for a week.
Correct. These are your aunts from Guntur. They will be with us for a week. Please check your answers.
All right.
And move to page number 19, the last page of this chapter, which is interrogative pronouns. So tomorrow we will start with
Words. Words.
NCRT. No, NCRT book.
Can
So
I go to
interrogate.
washroom?
I don't know. I have given instructions on this already. Interrogative pronouns are the ones which are used for asking questions. For example, who, whom, whose, which, and what. What was that noise? Who will introduce the singer? With whom will you go to the market? Who is the whose is that blue jacket in the corner? And which is your school? So all these words in red are called interrogative pronouns because they are asking questions. Interrogation is what? When you ask a question. So they are called interrogative pronouns. Dash will bring the books from the shelf. Tia. Dash will bring the books from the shelf.
Ma'am, may I say?
Ma'am, may I say?
Tia. Tia will only say.
Yes, ma'am. Dash will bring the books from the shelf. Who will bring the books from the shelf?
Who will bring the book from the shelf? Are you able to see my screen?
What is the meaning of opium?
Dash are the books.
Ma'am, can I?
Huh? Meaning of?
What is the meaning of OPINION? Opium. OPINION.
Have we come to that sentence? This class, loves wasting time. You people can write a book. Each one of you writes 2 pages, no?
And the
We can
last of
publish a book by next month. Dash are the books you want, Farzan.
which books do you want?
Which are the books you want?
Yes.
Number 3, Dhruv Patel. Number 4,
Ma'am,
Prisha.
I had a doubt.
Yes, ma'am. With whom did you come to the library?
Correct. With whom did you come to the library? Yes, Parnika. What is your doubt?
Ma'am, I was asking, can we write what are the books you want?
No.
Which are what are?
Which is used for things. Book is a thing, right?
Ma'am, I have wrote all.
Anand, what?
I have wrote all.
Okay. Write on the board. I have finished all.
Ma'am.
Number 4, Prisha.
Yes, ma'am. Dash will you do if nobody brings them for you? What will you do if nobody brings them for you?
Correct. Number 5, Vidisha. And number 6, Ibrahim.
Yes, ma'am. To dash will you give the book after reading them? To whom will you give the book after reading them?
Correct. Number 6, Ibrahim.
Yes, ma'am. Dash is your opinion about the maintenance for this library. What is your opinion about the maintenance of this library?
Okay. Vivan Patel. Vivan Patel. Meaning of opinion is, what are your views? What do you think about this? Opinion means, what is your opinion means, what do you think about this? Should we do something about the maintenance of the library? Got it? That's the meaning of opinion. Okay, now we have to replace the words in red with pronouns and rewrite the sentences. Amina plays the veena and the guitar very well. So what pronoun are we going to use for Amina? Divyosha. Divyosha will leave the meeting. Divyosha. Where is Divyosha?
Everyone can say.
What, Divyosha?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer number 1. Jishna, please answer number 1. I can't keep looking at the roof of her house.
She plays the veena and the guitar very well.
She plays the veena and the guitar very well. Divyosha, how many times have I told you to sit at one place and not move with the device in the whole house? Why can't you sit at one place, be stable, put your device at a distance and hold your book in your hand so that you can focus what is being taught in the class? See? The whole time, 35 minutes, your device is moving. And half of the time, your camera is off. Number 2. Who was it? Tawassim, answer number 2. Mr. Sarkar gave lessons to Amina every Sunday. So you have to replace Amina. Where's Tawassim gone now?
Yes.
Yeah, Tawassim. Tell me the answer.
Sarkar gives lesson to.
Ma'am, can I say Ayansh?
Ayansh, Tawassim is already speaking, no? Why do you have to disturb in between? Wait for your turn. Wait for your turn. Tawassim, tell me. Ayansh, be ready with third one. Tawassim, I'm still waiting for second.
Ma'am, may I say?
Rudra Magokia, second.
Mr. Sarkar gives lesson to dash.
Ma'am,
All of you are going to get a 0 in attentiveness this time in the report card. Wait and watch. F grade.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah, Jishna, please tell. Please raise a hand.
Yeah. Mr. Sarkar gives lesson to her every Sunday.
Correct. So Amina will be replaced with her. Anant, number 3. Amina is Mr. Sarkar's favorite student.
she is Mr. Sarkar's favorite student.
Correct. This beautiful Veena is Amina's. Riva. Wait. Wait, Riva, wait. You've got a chance already, right? Wait a minute.
Ma'am, Divana is not yet.
Yug Baria. Please answer.
What, ma'am?
What, ma'am? What, ma'am? What you?
One, ma'am.
Answer.
What? Which question?
Number 4. Sleeping Beauty of my class.
This beautiful Veena is Amina's.
Huh? This beautiful Veena is
Amina's.
hers. This beautiful Veena is hers. Amina hopes to play the Veena on stage someday. So you have to replace Amina and Veena. Ibrahim, answer. Oh, sorry. Ibrahim, wait. Ibrahim, wait. Ayansh was supposed to answer next. Ayansh, number 5.
Ma'am, she hopes to play her.
Yeah.
She hopes to play her
No.
on the stage.
Veena is a thing, no? So what will we replace it with? Which pronoun? Non-living things. What do we use?
क्या use करते हैं? Ma'am, we use for non-living thing.
He, she. What do we
Ma'am,
use?
ma'am, they.
Huh? They. What do we use for animals and things?
Ma'am, they, them, he, she.
It.
It.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
She hopes to play it on stage one day. Okay, so that finishes our chapter. I am posting the link for the CT. So we have
Ma'am,
the
we have to change.
What?
Ma'am, I was asking, we have to change some also to one. She hopes to play it on stage one day or someday.
Someday, one day, both are. And here I have missed out writing student, favorite student. So please add here student. Okay. Okay. Now 2 things that you need to remember before you start the test. All of you, listen carefully. I'm not going to repeat. If your answers go wrong, I'm not going to check manually how much ever you request, because you will not listen, so I will not check. Listen. Now the CT that you have, you must have opened it already. It has short answers. It is not MCQ. So I want you to type your answers. Okay. You want to type your answer. So for the answer is queen. First letter has to be small. Two things you need to remember. First letter has to be small and no space after the word. Two things you have to remember. First letter small, no space after the word. If you don't follow these two rules, all your answers will go wrong. I'm not going to check manually. Start doing the test quickly.
Catherine, ma'am.
Yes, Krishna.
Ma'am, in this phone, I'm opening that and it's coming. You need permission,
So
and
you're logged in with another ID, Krishna. You're logged in with your brother or sister ID. You have to log in with your ID. Sign out of the Google account, log in again, and then access this form. I'll post this in the classroom also. Try accessing it from there if you can.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you send the link again?
Of course.
and there's no power, so my computer is not working.
I've sent the link again.
Ma'am, first letter should be small or big? Ma'am, because I didn't hear.
Not my problem, no? You didn't feel like hearing, not my problem. I repeated it 3 times, 4 times. Didn't I, children? Did I not repeat 3, 4 times what to do?
Ma'am, you repeated.
2 rules to be remembered. Children who don't sit attentively in my class should pay a price now. Get a 0.
Ma'am, you repeated.
Yeah, Bihan, what happened?
Ma'am, I was just saying that you have repeated that and I have done the CET. So can I submit?
You have finished the CT?
Yes, ma'am.
Mandra Jodi has got a 3. They come to dance in my class. They don't come to study. Krishna is already there in the classroom, beta. You're asking me to send it in the classroom. It's already there in the classroom. Just refresh your screen. Very good, Divyosha. Anand Y7. Silly mistake, yeah?
Ma'am, spelling mistake was there.
Very good. Amazing. "12:30, all those children who did not join the class yesterday can join the class today.
Me too.
I said who did not join. Anand, listen carefully.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
can you send CT link? And because in which years I was doing CT, it got shut down.
Sorry, Rudra.
Ma'am,
Go
it
to
got
the
shut
class.
down.
Go to the class and access. I'm not sending again. 5 minutes left, children. Please do it quickly.
Ma'am, can you say first letter should be capital or not?
I will not say. Sorry.
Not,
Please,
not.
ma'am, because I don't hear it.
Not my problem. You keep your cameras off and then you do what behind the camera? I don't know. And I don't want to know. Look what Tawassim is doing. Left to the meeting. Vivan, I'm telling for the last time. It should be small and no space after the word. If you don't follow these two rules, your answers will go wrong. Got
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
And please sit attentively in my class. Don't come to my class just for getting attendance.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Yes, Ayan should be.
Ma'am, I have written right spelling, but it is coming wrong.
Very good. Google is does not have a brain.
Ma'am, it is showing me right, but it is counting wrong over there.
Hmm. I said no, Google does not have a brain. You people have brains. That's why you don't follow the rules. You put a space after the answer, and that's why the answer goes wrong. Children, the time is up. All those who have finished the test can leave and join your HRM class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am, today is my reading class, right?
Ma'am, HRM in this class, na?
Bye, ma'am.
What? Somebody was asking something.
No, ma'am, HRM in this class, na, Deepika, ma'am.
HRM is 5A HRM. No?
Means in the blue box only, na, this box, this class.
Catherine ma'am, can I start the HRM?
Okay. Yes, ma'am. I'm just leaving. Children, the class is over.